Hi students of class 5, we are doing chapter 3. Today we will do the third part of the chapter. Till last day I have shown you how to insert column, how to insert column break, page break. These topics we have done in the last class. Today we will do how to add header and footer and how to use the find and replace option of the Word 2013. These two topics we will do today. So everyone get ready with the book, page number 32, and go through the video. I will show you the steps in the laptop. Please go through it. Let's start the class. Suppose this is the document that we have made and we want to add some header over here. Header is a section of the document that appears in the top margin and footer appears in the bottom margin of the document. Here the header is appeared and at the bottom of the page the footer is appeared. And how to bring it? Bring the mouse over here, double click over there. See, the header section is shown. Along with that, the footer section is also shown to you. Clear everyone? Now you can find over here the design tab is on. As we have brought the header and footer, the design tab is there. In the header we can insert, suppose one heading we can insert over there, my school. Okay, and if we go out of there and we have suppose gone to a new page suppose, see, our header will be there in the next page. We don't have to write it again. Clear everyone? Next, now we will see how to use the find and replace option of the document. Now the find function in Word is very useful. If you want to find any of the word, how many times it is located, using that we can, using the find option, we can find that. Suppose in this document we need to find how many my is written over there. What we will do? We will go to the home tab. Over there in the editing group, you can see the find option. Click on it. This navigation pane will come. In the search box, suppose we write mine. See, the result is showing 4 result. That means in the 4 place the my word is used. Here my school, there my city, again my school is written, and in the header also it is written my school. So 4 places the my school is shown to us, and we can navigate over here using the down arrow. Where are the different places that we can see over here? See, if we navigate over here, the document part is also shown to us. Now, how to use the replace button? Suppose we want to replace this word mine with the word I, maybe, or our, maybe our. What we will do? Again go to the home tab, editing group, click on the arrow, replace option is there. Click replace. See, this window will come. Over here, find the word my and replace it with our. Type our over here and then click the replace button. One by one, all the word of my will be replaced by our. And if we click replace all, that time all the my word will be replaced by our, and it will give you the message we make to replacement. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? No, we don't want. So we will click no and it will be done. We can close the window. See our places. Now this is how we use the find and replace option in Word 2013.